Hi, I'm Joy Edwards with the Edwards Law Group, and today I'm going to talk to you about adoptions. I know you've heard me talk before about our tagline, which is we take on the ugly in family law cases so our clients don't have to. Adoptions are our happy place. We love helping families complete their circle. So today, I'm going to give you a little bit more information on the different type of adoptions that we can help you with to get your family complete. So the most common type of adoptions people do are step-parent adoptions. Step-parent adoptions involve a step-parent adopting their spouse's child. What a lot of people don't know is that even that simple adoption process, the step-parent adoption, still involves terminating the actual biological and legal parents' rights to that child. That's the ugly part that we would help you through so you can get to the happy part of completing your family circle. The second type of adoptions that we regularly deal with in our office are independent adoptions. In independent adoptions, the parents looking to adopt the child have no legal relationship with the child. So what that means is that within the independent adoption process, we have to terminate the legal rights to the child of not only the biological mother of the child, but if there is a legal father, we also have to terminate their parental rights. And hey, here's a secret. Even if the father is not a legal father, there is still a legal process that we have to go through to terminate any rights that person may have to the child before the adoption can be finalized. There's also another wrinkle. Sometimes grandparents object to these adoptions as well. So when we step into the case, we are terminating parental rights on a basic level and on a secondary level for any secondary family members who may object to the adoption. Another type of adoption that we handle in our office are second parent adoptions. So second parent adoptions were primarily utilized by members of the LGBTQ community to adopt their spouses or their partner's children. When the Supreme Court ruled in the Obergefell case that the state of Georgia had to recognize same-sex couple marriages some years ago, second parent adoptions, for the most part, fell to the wayside because now that LGBTQ people could get married to each other, they could do step-parent adoptions, which, by the way, is a much easier process than the second parent adoptions. However, second parent adoptions are still an option for some families, and that's something that we are prepared and equipped to discuss with you if that is a good fit for you completing your family circle with our office. Adult adoptions, that's the thing. Did you know that? If you are over the age of 18 years and you want someone to adopt you, we can make that happen. You don't have to terminate parental rights. You don't have to deal with surrender of parental rights. You just get to file the adoption. We notify the court and the adoption gets put in place. It's a much quicker process, no background checks. We can't find you an adult to adopt you, but if you're an adult and you know of another adult, for instance, someone who's been in your life all your life, who's acted as a mother or a father to you, and you want to legalize that process, there's a process for that. I know I said process twice, but it's a process for that, and it's called adult adoptions. We can do those for you too. So have I given you enough to think about? Which of the adoptions that I talked about is a right fit for your family? If you're interested in step-parent adoptions, independent adoptions, second parent adoptions, or adult adoptions, heck, any kind of adoptions, we can help you with that. Pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to help you get started in your process in completing your family.